Every day, someone is fighting a silent battle, a mother struggling to raise her children alone, a person facing mental pain and fear, a family torn by problems they can't solve. At Holy Sanctuary Ministry, we believe no one should walk through darkness alone. We open our hearts to the hurting, to single moms, to the broken, to the lonely, reminding them that God still cares and His love still heals. Through prayer, compassion, and community support, Holy Sanctuary Ministry brings light where there is pain and hope where there is despair. We listen, we pray, we stand beside those who feel forgotten. Every visit, every prayer, every meal shared is a chance to show God's love in action, because healing begins when someone cares. If you are a single mother, if your family is struggling, or if your heart feels heavy, we are here for you. Come as you are. You are loved, you are valued, and you are never alone. Together, we can rebuild lives one heart at a time. Holy Sanctuary Ministry. Faith, hope, love.